If you have no experience but are interested in working from home, there are many high-paying remote jobs with no experience you can apply for. Customer service positions are among the most common, and you can find many companies that will train you to get started on the job right away. These positions are often the best option for stay-at-home parents and part-time workers. You can also earn more money by using your skills by becoming a virtual assistant for a company. Hello, and welcome to the Marketer DNA YouTube channel. Willie Desjarnet will navigate you through this video. He will discuss best high-paying remote jobs with no experience. Also, he will provide the link to the site at the bottom of the description.
Before we even get started, I would like you to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. Also, let me show you this, guys. Before you go further, I have a lead system where you can acquire a lot of leads. You can triple your leads in a matter of no time. Look at the statistics right here. You can do this in no time. All you have to do is follow the link that I have below, tripleyouremaillist.com. Also, let me let you look at the my Gmail account. Look at all these leads coming in. They come in on a daily basis, and you could join this opportunity absolutely free. Just take a look at the link that I have below in the video. I'll see you inside.
Tonight we want to kind of talk about a high-paying job with no experience. Now, I know this title says this, it says a high-paying job with no experience. But before we go into this, I just want to make sure we understand if these great paying jobs you're gonna have to have pretty good skill sets, and you probably gonna have to have, I know they say no experience, but you're gonna have to have something. But let's go through the jobs and just kind of see what they're asking for. Let's just start out with the first one. This job is medical sales representative. Now let's go ahead and look at this, because this could be salary plus commission, but I don't know, but it's a pretty good job. We're talking about $75,000 to $90,000 a year, so we're talking about a really good job. This is some benefits that you want to take a look at when you're looking at high-paying jobs. They pay you for training. They got health insurance, they got dental insurance, they have 401k, that's for retirement, paid time off, work at home, vision insurance, and life insurance. They got the full works, okay? All right, let's talk about a little bit about the job description here. This job is a full job description. It is Health IQ is currently seeking out a life and health license holder that specializes in Medicare sales. We're seeking ambitious sales professionals to join our innovative organization whose forward-thinking culture is the right for someone who wants to showcase their skills and recognize thinking culture in the right for someone who wants to showcase their skill. Did I reread that wrong? I mean, to drive success and drive fast-paced entrepreneur environment. So and I'm sorry about the way I read that, I apologize. This is talking about probably some form of commission base. I don't see it. Let me see what it talks about. You only have to have a high school diploma. Your insurance license is required. I don't know who helps you get that, so you'll have to take a test on that, and you'll have to study for it. They normally have those type of licenses at in community colleges. They may have that on site, but you'll have to pass a test. I'm just telling you, when you're dealing with jobs that are that pay pretty good, some form of license is going to have to be involved. Some kind of test is going to be taken. So if you have that pretty good IQ that can do that, you can do that. Remember, these jobs are remote. Let's make sure we're aware of that. Now let's go to the next one. These are really good high-paying jobs, and this one says urgency as far as hiring. Okay. And it gives you a description, and like I said, I'll have the link below. And if the link does not work at the time, I'll tell you what to type in when you get to this site. Again, I didn't say that when the video first started. We are with Indeed, okay? We're in Indeed again. So, all right, And this is a mortgage loan officer. Yeah. So this is what that is. And let's just take a look at what they're doing and what's the qualification of being able to do that. And we want to make, like I said, I've always want to look at this, guys. This pays good money, but I just want to let you know when it says 1099 or W-2 is applicable, it's kind of like a commission-based deal. I could be wrong, but it's a condition-based deal. And so, you know, you're out trying to get people to do loans or refinance and things of that nature. So it's a little work in it, but it pays pretty good. And the main office is in Central Nail, Alabama. So just showing you they do have good jobs like that. That's remote, but you'll have to go through and read this job and make sure you fully understand what's going on. So it pays pretty good. So I just want you to be aware of it. Okay, let's go on to the next one. I know when we talk about these high-paying jobs, they're just not gonna be really simple. Really simple. This one is a full-time legal assistance. So I'm thinking you probably should have some kind of background in that. Let's just take a look at what they want. Yeah, you're gonna have to have some kind of background in legal terms or whatever. And let's just look at the position details for legal assistance. Work responsibility. Clients, billing, paying vendors, typing, pleading, electronic filing with federal and state courts. Time of role, long-term engagement. Schedule part of full-time, 20 to 40 hours a week. Location is at Atlanta, Midtown, hybrid, remote. Compensation with benefits, so salary plus. So, but what you want to do just to make sure this is a full-time, if it's remote only, make sure you get with these people to find out, because our searches for remote, you know, majority of these sites that we're dealing with on a daily basis are being able to opportunity to be able to work at the house. So let's go to the next thing. That might be pretty well. And I forgot to tell you that previous job was $42,000 to $53,000 a year. Now this one is $60,000 to $72,000, and this one got all of the benefits that goes with this. Now this is a social media leader, and look at the description. IWT is looking for, that's the name of the company, is looking for a social media leader to drive strategy across existing and emerging social channels for the and let me make sure I'm saying it right, for the I Will Tech rich brand. I for some reason I didn't like the way that read. We have over 700K engaged followers across multiple platforms, but we're looking for a leader who can take us to the next level by expanding into a new channel and increasing followers by at least 20% this year. To be honest with you, if you're looking for a course like that, this pays pretty good. If I was you wanted this job, I would take me a class. There are classes out there that teach you how to be better social media engagement people. And from what I know is you have to be consistent. You have to be consistent what you're promoting. You know, they talk about, that's telling you they are paying pretty good. So this is a excellent opportunity, and it's a lot of stuff online that helps you stay focused on social media. Social media, to me, just looking at this particular job, it's about engaging, and it's about coming up with things to help your audience engage in who you work for, who you're trying to represent. So that could be an awesome job for you. And guys, excuse me for my reading is slack today. I'm very sorry for that. Now let's go to a customer service representative work. And let's take a look at this particular job. And it's full-time, and it's over. A lot of people have looked at this, and I may have said something about this in other videos. Let me see what the salary is. I don't see the salary. They have a lot of people, and it's kind of a United Health group. So, and let's just see what it takes to qualify. They want you to prefer to have you a year into billing, being able to do billing. Only ask for a high school diploma, GED, 2+ years in customer service experience, 1+ years in with Windows. So you always need to know Windows. Always got to have some kind of skill going on. So that's cool. You want to have that. That's cool. You want to have that. So yeah, take a look at this job. And like I said, I'll show you how to navigate that, when we get here. Now, private money loan officer. That's another one. Wow. This here pays really good. Really good. So like I said, guarantee is salary plus commission. So you want to come in and look at this. I hadn't looked at it totally, but I guarantee you this is salary plus commission, because you will have to produce to do that. Yeah, they do say one sale a year is required. One mortgage sale a year is required. So you want to take a look at that. And I think that is experience. So you will have to have had that before you get started in that area, because this one pays over $100,000 a year. It can top out over there. So you will have to have had that before you can apply for this job. So, and I don't know if you could call and negotiate with them to get a job like that, even though you don't have that experience, to say you will accomplish that goal. So it's on you, and you can negotiate with them. That's pretty cool. Let's go to this next one. I think we're going to call this one quits after this. This is a newsletter writer. So you're probably doing newsletters for a company. So I'm just taking a guess before we go up into this. Yeah, you work on flagship daily, weekly newsletter for a USA Today. Wow. I mean, all I'm gonna tell you this, if you're doing that for a newsletter, you have to be an excellent writer. This is for people who can really spin it when it comes to writing. So I'm just trying to tell you, when you're working for a company like that, you better make sure you're an excellent writer. So, but like I said, I'll have this link below, and if you can't go with the link, I will have, and I'll show you how to research it, which we can go back up here to the top. What I typed into the search engine is, well, not search engine, but Indeed, is high paying, no experience, remote. That's what you want to type in to obtain these jobs. But I just want to kind of share with you some high paying jobs, even though we're talking about the last few days about jobs that were, in the $15 to $20 a year hour job, but we want to look at some higher scale jobs just to show you guys, just to see if you could be qualified for it. But we're gonna go ahead and cut this video short, and I hope everything was informative to you, besides my bumbling with the reading earlier into the video. But guys, take care, and let me get a like, and let me get a subscribe, and I'll see you on the next training.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the training. But don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And leave some comments just to let me know what you thought of the video and what I could do better. Guys, take care, and I'll see you on the next training.